If you want to learn how to email in MailChimp, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from signing in and importing contacts, all the way to creating your campaign, customizing your message, previewing it, and sending it to your audience. This is a simple, beginner-friendly MailChimp tutorial, so even if you've never used the platform before, you'll be able to follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the website loads, sign in with your account credentials to access your dashboard. If you're already logged in, you'll land directly on the main MailChimp interface where you can manage your audience and create email campaigns. Next, from the left-hand navigation menu, click on Audience. This is the section where you manage your subscribers and contact lists. Before you send any email campaign, you want to make sure your audience is organized and ready to go. If you haven't imported your contacts yet, this is the perfect time to do it. To import your contacts, click Add Contacts, then choose Import Contacts. MailChimp gives you a few different ways to bring in your list. You can upload a CSV file, copy and paste contacts manually, or import from a connected service. Choose the method that works best for your situation. Just make sure your list is accurate, well organized, and only includes people who have given permission to receive your emails. That part is very important for email marketing and deliverability. Once your audience is ready, go to the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. This is where you create your email. Then click Create and choose Email, followed by Regular. A regular email campaign is the best choice for newsletters, announcements, updates, and promotional messages. It gives you a standard email format that is easy to design and send. Now, MailChimp will ask you to name your campaign. Enter a clear and descriptive campaign name so you can easily identify it later. For example, you could use monthly newsletter, product update, or summer promotion. After typing in the name, click Begin to continue. Now it's time to choose your email template. You can select one of MailChimp's pre-designed templates, or you can start with a basic layout. A basic layout is a great choice if you want a clean starting point that's easy to customize. Once you've picked the template you want, click Apply to load it into the email editor. Inside the editor, you can begin customizing your email to match your brand and your message. You can edit the text, upload your logo, add or replace images, insert buttons, add hyperlinks, and rearrange content blocks as needed. This is where you make the email feel like your own. Try to keep the layout simple and focused, and make sure your call to action is clear so your readers know exactly what you want them to do. As you build your email, think about the overall user experience. Make sure your subject line is attention-grabbing, your content is easy to read, your images are relevant, and your branding stays consistent throughout the design. The goal is to create an email that looks professional and encourages people to take action. Before you send anything, review and preview your email carefully. Check that your campaign includes a clear subject line, well-formatted content, relevant images, a strong call to action, and consistent branding. Then use preview or send test email to see how the message will appear in your recipients' inboxes. This is a smart step because it helps you catch mistakes before your audience sees them. Once everything looks good, click Save and Exit if needed, and then move on to the campaign settings. Here, review the recipient audience, the from name, the from email address, the subject line, and the preview text if you're using one. Double check every detail before sending because this is your last chance to make sure everything is correct. Finally, when you're confident that everything is ready, click Send to deliver your campaign to your selected audience. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent an email in MailChimp. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. And if you want, I can also show you how to create automated emails in MailChimp or how to design a newsletter that gets more clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.